Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with 2 entries to Tina's Challenge giveaway. Tina's 2K Challenge giveaway. And the first one is from Nadia. And I'll have to glue a little eyeball back on. This says, "You're sweet." It's got a little ice cream there. The eyes came off. No big deal. I will, they're in the bottom of the envelope. I will glue them back on. See, I got one. I bet you that's what the spell was on a little eyeball. I felt something, I just didn't know what it was. I will find another eyeball and fix it myself, because I'm not seeing it. That's probably what I felt. Okay, so it says, "You're so sweet." This little popsicles got little eyeballs. 2 of them came unglued. I will put them up here, and I will fix them. But they're so cute. There's like a little bow on this one. She's got some gems. She's got some glitter and smiles. And some gems going around, little bows on the popsicle sticks, and it says, "You're so sweet." She's got this eyelash trim going around. Like I said, I'll glue the eyeballs back on. Some things come undone in the mail. We all know that. This is made by Nadia C. YouTube. She doesn't do videos. Her favorite color is pastels. Her birthday is 9/1. And she is from Oak Lawn, Illinois. Okay. Put Nadia. Okay, we got Nadia's down. Okay, right there. Thank you, Nadia. Like I said, I'll glue the little eyeball on and I'll find the other eyeball. And if I don't, I have eyeballs. The next one is, let's see, I got a letter. Oh, okay, Amy. Look at Amy. This is Amy's. Oh, I like how you did this, Amy. I like them all, actually. You know, I'm not trying to say. I was like, because I'm such a mixed media artist, when I see something in the background, I just dig it. Love 3. She's got flower, butterfly. She's got some mesh butterfly. And Amy is Secret Squirrel. Amy. She is from Waterloo, Iowa. And she's, congrats on 2K. Thank you. She just want to be in a giveaway. So, and then look at, she made this little paper clip. It says, "Thank you." She's got some material. It's a cute idea. Well, I'm going to put Amy here, but she doesn't want to be in a giveaway, so I will just put her down here, but not on a ticket. So y'all aware, that's what the note said. She said she got her note said was that she was lucky enough to get a gel plate. It says, "I don't need to be in a drawing. I was able to get a jelly plate also, so I'm grateful for that. Again, congrats." Oh, okay. I'll just send her a little thank you. So, well, you each get something in the mail from me once you enter. I've been sending you each a little Bob Ross ATC card that I made, and it has all in my information on the back. So you'll get that, well, regardless. So, thank you, Amy. So, them are the 2 ATCs. Oops, I'm losing my eyeballs. What was that? From Nadia, sorry, and Amy. So let's get the next step. And that is to get the ticket. There's still time to enter if you're seeing this now. I always link the video on top. or in the description of the original video with all the details in. So if you're just seeing this today, you're like, what is she talking about? You can still have time to enter. And let's get the bear. You don't want to come today. I am so klutzy. Okay. The giveaway bear. I'd love to fill this up, guys. It'd be so awesome. Reach in a half full. Nadia. Boom. Boom. Come on, guys. Let's get this bear full. Halfway full. I have 2K. We have 2,000 people in here, right? That'd be awesome. And I only got 7 entries, guys. Technically 6 because Aimee told me not to put her in here. Your chances are better with less. So thank you, Aimee. Thank you, Nadia, for entering. Once again, this is Nadia's. Sorry. I will put dials of dollars on, and that's Aimee's. It's got this like feeling of mesh. It's kind of cool. They're so cute, both of them. I love them. Thank you so much for entering, ladies. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.